Welcome back to English on Air, the podcast where adults learn real-life English in a fun and simple way.
Hello, everyone. Great to have you here again.
Okay, today's topic is interesting and maybe a little dangerous.
Dangerous?
Yes, because people have strong opinions about this topic. Money.
Ah, yes. Everybody talks about money or thinks about money.
Exactly. Some people love money. Some people hate talking about it.
And today's question is, why do people care so much about money?
Does money mean success? Does money bring respect? Does money bring happiness?
Big questions today, but don't worry. We'll keep the English simple and natural.
By the end of this episode, you will learn how to talk about money in English, express your opinions, agree and disagree politely, and discuss real-life topics naturally. Host 2.
Let's begin.
Let's start simple. Why is money important?
Well, because we need it. We need money for food, for rent, for transportation, for life.
Yes. Without money, life becomes difficult. But here's another question. Why do rich people often get more respect?
That's interesting. Maybe society connects money with success.
Yes, people sometimes think, if you have money, you are successful.
But is that always true?
Not really. Some rich people are unhappy, and some people with less money are very happy.
Exactly. Money helps, but it's not everything.
Let's imagine two people. One person has a lot of money, but no free time.
Always working, always stressed.
The second person has less money, but more peace and time with family.
So who is more successful?
Good question.
Success means different things to different people.
For some people, success equals money.
For others, success equals peace, health, family, freedom.
Some people buy expensive things to look successful.
Yes, expensive clothes, expensive cars, expensive phones.
And sometimes they want respect from others.
There is also social pressure. People compare themselves to others.
Especially on social media. You see people traveling, buying things, living a perfect life.
And then you think, maybe I need more money too.
Let's talk about happiness. Can money buy happiness?
Maybe money can make life easier.
Yes. Less stress. More comfort.
But happiness also comes from relationships, health, and peace of mind.
Many people work very hard for money.
Because they want a better life.
A better home, better opportunities, a better future. Let's do a conversation. Why do people care so much about money?
Because money is important for life.
Do you think money brings happiness?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
I think peace and health are also important.
I agree with you. That's natural conversation English. Let's review key words. 1. Money. What we use to buy things. Example, money is important. 2. Rich.
Too rich. Having a lot of money. Example, he is very rich. 3. Respect.
3. Respect. Positive opinion about someone. Example, people respect him. 4. Success.
4. Success. Achieving something important. Example, success means different things.
5. Expensive. Costing a lot of money. Example, that car is expensive. 6. Happiness.
6. Happiness. Feeling happy. Example, happiness is important. Repeat after us. Money is important.
Money is not everything.
People work hard for money.
Success means different things.
Happiness is important too.
I want a better life. Now full sentences. Repeat after us. Money can make life easier.
Some people connect money with success.
Health and peace are also important. So now you can talk about money, success, and happiness in English.
But we're not finished. Because people also have very different opinions about money.
In the next part, we'll talk about rich people, life goals, spending money, and how money changes relationships.
Stay with us. Because this conversation is getting interesting. So we talked about money, success, and happiness.
Yes, but now let's talk about something interesting, how money changes people.
Do you think money changes personality?
Sometimes yes. Some people become kinder, others become more arrogant.
That's true. Money can show a person's real character.
Let's go back to respect. Why do people respect rich people more?
Maybe because money gives power.
Or because society teaches us to admire success?
But not everyone thinks the same way. Some people respect kindness more than money.
Yes, a kind person with little money can still be respected.
Let's talk about spending money. Some people spend carefully, others spend very quickly.
Yes, some people save money. Some people buy everything they want immediately. Saving money means keeping money for the future.
For emergencies, for travel, for important goals. Some people want an expensive lifestyle.
Big house, expensive car, luxury clothes.
But sometimes that lifestyle creates stress.
Because expensive lifestyles need more money and more pressure.
Money can also affect relationships.
Yes, friends, family, couples. Money discussions can become emotional. For example, one person wants to save money, the other person wants to spend more.
That can create problems. In many cultures, money is a sensitive topic.
So it's important to speak politely. You can say, money is important, but not everything.
Or, I think balance is important. Let's do another conversation. Do you think rich people are happier?
Not always,
Why not?
because happiness is more than money.
That's true. Health and peace are important too.
I agree. Simple, natural, respectful English.
Many people work hard because they have goals.
Yes, maybe they want a better future, a comfortable life, more freedom.
Money can help people reach those goals.
Maybe the real answer is balance.
Exactly. Money matters. But life is also about health, relationships, and peace. Let's repeat the key idea.
Money is important.
But it's not everything.
Success means different things to different people. Let's review key words. 1. Save money. Keep money for the future. Example, I'm trying to save money. 2. Lifestyle.
2. Lifestyle. The way someone lives. Example, he has an expensive lifestyle.
3. Luxury. Very expensive and comfortable things. Example, that hotel is luxury.
4. Goal. Something you want to achieve. Example, my goal is financial freedom. 5. Balance.
5. Balance. Not too much, not too little. Example, balance is important. 6. Freedom.
6. Freedom. Being able to choose your life. Example, money can give freedom. Repeat after us. Money is important, but not everything.
I want a balanced life.
Success means different things to different people.
I try to save money.
Happiness is more important than expensive things.
I want peace and freedom in my life. Now full sentences. Repeat after us. Money can help people live more comfortably.
Some people respect money too much.
Health, peace, and relationships are important too.
Before we finish, remember this. Money is part of life.
But it should not control your whole life.
Real success can mean many things. peace, freedom, family, health, growth.
And remember, you can talk about deep topics in simple English.
You don't need difficult vocabulary to express real ideas.
If this episode helped you, share it with another English learner.
Listen again. Repeat again. Practice every day. We'll see you in the next episode of
English on Air. Keep learning.
Keep Speaking.
Bye, everyone.